Hello students, welcome to E-classes of P.N. Amersay High School. We will continue with our chapter number 6, Integers. Question number 2 of exercise 6.2, use number line and add the following integers. Students, we have to add the integers with the help of number line. Now solution for question number 2 of exercise 6.2, A part of question number 2, 9 plus minus 6. Here we have to add 9 and minus 6 with the help of a number line. So students, now you know how to draw a number line. First we have to draw a number line. Then we will take integer 9 and we will add minus 6 as this integer carries negative sign. So we will move towards left side. So here integer 9 is here on the number line, so we will move 6 steps towards the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we reach at 3. So starting from 9 and going 6 steps to the left, we reach at 3. Therefore 9 plus minus 6 is equals to 3. Students, try to solve B part of question number 2 by yourself. Now C part of question number 2, minus 1 plus minus 7. Here we have to add minus 1 and minus 7 with the help of number line. So we will start with integer minus 1 here and we have to move 7 steps towards left as 7 carries the sign of minus. So from minus 1 we will move 7 steps towards left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we will get minus 8. So starting from minus 1 and going 7 steps to the left, we reach minus 8. Therefore minus 1 plus minus 7 is equals to minus 8. Students, try to solve D part of question number 2 by yourself. Now E part of question number 2, minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. Here 3 integers we have to add with the help of a number line. So first we have to draw a number line. Then we will start with minus 1. Minus 1 is here. And we have to add minus 2 as 2 has minus sign. So we will move towards left side. So we will move 2 steps towards left. 1 and 2. So we reached at minus 3. And then we have to add minus 3 again. So again we will move towards left side as 3 has a minus sign. So 1, 2 and 3. So by moving 3 steps towards left we will get minus 6 as the answer. So starting from minus 1 and going 2 steps to the left and then 3 steps to the left, we reach minus 6. Therefore minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 is equals to minus 6. Now F part of question number 2, minus 2 plus 8 plus minus 4. Here we have to find out what integer we will get if we add minus 2 plus 8 plus minus 4. Here also again first we will draw the number line. Now we will start from minus 2 integer. Minus 2 integer is here and here we have to add 8. 8 is a positive integer, so we will move towards the right side. Now we will move 8 steps towards right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we reached at integer 6 if we add minus 2 and 8. Now again we have to add minus 4. And as 4 is a negative integer, so we will move towards left side. So now from 6 integer we will move 4 steps towards left. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we reached at 2. So starting from minus 2 and going 8 steps to the right and then 4 steps to the left, we reach at 2. Question number 3 of exercise 6.2, add without using number line. Students, here integers are given, we have to add them without using a number line. The solution for question number 3, A part of question number 3, 11 plus minus 7. Here students, we have to find out the answer without using the number line. First we have to copy the question, 11 plus minus 7. Here as I have explained you in the basic rules that plus minus is minus. So we will subtract 11 and 7. 11 minus 7 is 4, and here the greater number is 11 and it contains positive sign, so the answer is positive 4. Now B part of question number 3, minus 13 plus 18. First you have to note down the question, then minus 13 we will write as it is, plus is plus, and then we will carry forward this 18. Now here minus sign is given and here plus sign is given, minus plus is minus, so we will subtract 13 and 18, we will get 5, and the answer will carry the sign of the greater digit. Here the greater digit is 18, so the answer is positive 5. Students, C part of question number 3 you have to do by yourself. Now D part of question number 3, minus 250 plus 150. Here first we will note down the question again, minus 250 plus 150. Now 250 we will carry forward as it is, minus 250, plus is plus, then 150 we will write here. Now here plus sign is given and here minus sign is given, plus minus is minus, so we will subtract 150 from 250. By subtracting 250 and 150 we will get 100, and here the answer will carry the sign of the greater digit. Here the greater digit is minus 250, so the answer is minus 100. Now E part of question number 3, minus 380 plus minus 270. Here first we will write down as it is question, minus 380 plus minus 270. Here minus 380 we will carry forward as it is, then plus minus is minus, then 270 we will write here. Now here minus sign is given and here also minus sign is given, minus is plus. So we will add 380 and 270. By adding 380 and 270 we will get 650. And the answer will carry the sign of the greater digit. Here the greater digit is minus 380, so the answer is minus 650. Students, try to solve F part of question number 3 by yourself. Question number 4 of exercise 6.2, find the sum of, here we have to add the integers, sum means we have to add. Now solution for question number 4. A part of question number 4, 137 and minus 354. We have to find the sum of these two integers. So first we will write 137 plus minus 354. As per the rule, plus minus is minus. So we will write here as 137 minus 354. By subtracting these two integers, we will get 217. Now as per the rule, we have to place the sign of the greater number on the answer. Here the greater number is 354. It contains the sign of negative. So the answer is minus 217. Students, try to solve B part of question number 4 by yourself. Now C part, minus 312, 39 and 192. So first we will write down as minus 312 plus 39 plus 192. First we have to solve the mathematical operation of these two integers. First we will write minus 312 as it is. In the bracket we will write 39 and 192. By adding 39 and 192 we will get 231. So now minus 312 plus 231 plus is plus. So we will write here as minus 312 as it is plus 231. Here plus sign is there and here minus sign is there. So plus minus is minus. So we will subtract 231 from 312. By subtracting these two integers, we will get 81 and the answer contains the sign of the greater digit. Here the greater digit is minus 312. So the answer is minus 81. Student, try to solve D part of question number 4 by yourself. Question number 5, find the sum. Here also students we have to add and find out the answer. A, minus 1 plus minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. B part of question number 5, 37 plus minus 2 plus minus 65 plus minus 8. Now solution for question number 5. A part of question number 5, -7 plus -9 plus 4 plus 16. Here 4 digits are given. So first we will write same what is given in the question, -7 plus -9 plus 4 plus 16. First we will solve these two numbers, 4 plus 16. So -7 plus -9 we will write as it is. Now 4 plus 16 is 20. Now we will solve the mathematical operation of these two integers. -7 plus -9 plus minus is minus, so we will write here minus here. So -7 minus 9 plus 20 we will write as it is. Now minus is plus, so we will add 7 and 9, we will get 16, and 16 will carry the sign of greater integer. The greater integer is 9, so the answer here is -16 plus 20 we will write down as it is. Now plus minus is minus. Now we will subtract 20 and 16, we will get 4, and the answer will carry the sign of the greater digit. Here the greater digit is 20, so the answer is positive 4. Student, try to solve B part of question number 5 by yourself. With this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.